Alright guys, I guess today I'm going to be doing a Black Ops gameplay video. I guess I'll be doing core demolition, I guess. WMD, I guess. My dog is down below me right now. Alright, let's go. Oh, we're planting this time, eh? Oh boy. What? He got on top of it. Oh no, get up the ladder. Alright. Let's go this way. Oh, shit. Epic fail. Shit! I'm not playing in a while. Come on, don't let B blow up. Let it blow up, please. There we go. Come on. Yo. No one destroyed my equipment. I will camp here and let A blow up now. 2 and 2. Whoa, sir. Don't fuck with me. Yeah! Alright. 2 and 2, come on. Time to defend. Alright. Oh, whoa. Let's go this way.
Spy plane ready for deployment.
Oh, spy plane up.
Spy plane to the air.
Whoa.
Friendly care package on the way.
Shit. Okay. Oh no. My dog's whining at the door right now. Oh, whoa, how'd you get in there? Okay. Okay, I see how it is. Don't you arm A right now. Oh, damn it. Fuck, I should have knifed. Come on now. Fuck. You dick. How the hell is he killing me like that? Alright, let's go and get it. Yeah. Shit, kill him. Fuck! Okay. To A we go, I guess. Hang on. Sorry about that. I had to let my dog out of my room. Oh, you douche! Fuck. Oh, fuck. Get on, son. Alright. Oh, on, get on. Get on. What am I now? 7. Shit. Not good. Oh, you cunt. You were upstairs. Alright. I see how it is. Hey. Teabag. Fuck you. You and your dirty teammates. Fuck you all. What the? Aw, you bastard. Alright, come on, we can do this. Then bring it back. Fuck! Oh my god. Alright, good. I should have fused it. I'm happy. Run! God damn. Get on. No! Oh, I don't like that. Oh, you cunt! You would stun me. Oh, I don't like that. Revive. I got you. Calm down, don't die. Eye in the sky, huh? Whoa. So you just jump in front of me, huh? Alright, cool. We got this. I hope. Oh, you dirty bastard! Took my spot.
Friendly flag plate inbound.
Oh, damn it. I was about to defuse it. What are you doing up there?
Package on the way.
Alright. Try hard, lads. Come on.
RSR-71's in the air.
Okay. What's this?
Artillery's in the air.
No! Hey, you stupid! Oh, you fucking... Oh my god, that pisses me off. Oh!
That's my place in the air.
10 and 14A. Shit. I thought someone was arming it. You know what, just for the hell of it. But it's like, alright. There. Forgot I had claymores. Oh, and I got a spy plane. Cool. I got a spy plane. You're not going to be able to beat us. I hope you know that, right? Alright, I can't camp.
Console hooked up. 5 lanes standing by. The bomb has been planted. Care package ready for
Get owned. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna throw it. Fuck it.
friendly care package on the way.
Oh shit, sentry gun.
Ready for delivery.
Oh, what? Oh, fuck.
Sentry gun on the way.
Fuck my life. FML, fuck my life.
5 lane up, they're blind.
You dirty whore.
The RTX deployed.
Hey, I went 15 and 15.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
Well, that was me doing core demolition for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, comment, rate, and subscribe, and of course, gotta rock the monster shirt. So, I will catch you guys again. If you like this video, comment, rate, and subscribe.